gains tax. Capital gains tax is a tax that you have to pay on the profit made from selling an asset. But what if I told you that in real estate, you could be exempt from paying those taxes? That's right. Under current tax rules, homeowners that make a profit of less than $250,000 on the sale of their home are completely exempt from capital gains tax. On a joint tax return, a couple can make up to $500,000. Now, this exemption only applies to homeowners who lived in the property as their primary residence for 2 out of the last 5 years. That means investment properties and vacation homes are not exempt from capital gains tax. So what happens if you were to profit more than $250,000? How do you figure out what amount is taxed? Well, you take the amount that you bought the home for, so let's say $300,000 in this scenario, and you subtract that from the amount that you're selling it for. Let's say you bought it in 2015 for $300,000, you're selling it today for $600,000. Subtract that $300,000 you bought it for, and then you can subtract the real estate commissions and all other title fees, and you can subtract any improvements that you made to the home. This includes things like a new roof, new AC, an updated kitchen, a fresh coat of paint, you name it. Whatever money you put into the home to increase the value can be subtracted from that profit. So for the sake of this example, let's say you didn't do any major updates, but you put a fresh coat of paint on it, which cost you $4,000. So you would start with the amount you're selling the home for, $600,000. Then you would subtract the amount you bought it for, $300,000. So that leaves you with a $300,000 profit. Well, now that you're selling the home at $600,000, 6% in real estate commissions is $36,000. Plus that $4,000 paint job that you did, that's $40,000 that you can now subtract from the $300,000 mark. That leaves you with a profit of $260,000. That's $10,000 over the exemption amount, so that $10,000 is what you pay capital gains tax on. Now, obviously, if this was a real scenario and you actually lived in the home for 8 years, you would do a lot more to it than just a fresh coat of paint. Even if it's not a cosmetic update per se, just regular maintenance on the home can be factored into that profit. This is just one of the many reasons why real estate is such a great investment, because it has so many benefits, but the tax benefits are hard to beat.